Hey, what's going on everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you two settings on the router that you should change to get more protection from malware, as it will never be enough to fight them. Now, in the previous videos, I already showed you how to install Malwarebytes Browser Guard as one protection at the browser layer. As you can see on the screen, today, the Browser Guard can still protect my computer from a new phishing. The first one is you should turn the firewall on, and the second one is you should use DNS to block malware and adult content. It works as an additional layer of protection. First, you need the administrator account to log into your home router. It is likely you can get its IP address by using an ipconfig command. Go to the search bar and type cmd, type ipconfig and press enter. Look for the default gateway, and this could be the IP address of the router. Use the web browser, enter the IP address, and log in to the router. Then go to security. For some reason, your SPI firewall could be off. Tick in this box to turn it on. Basically, the SPI firewall will protect our home network from cyber attacks by blocking all access to the computers inside the network. Click on the Save button and restart the router. Next, test if the firewall is working. I am using this website to scan my router IP address to verify that no ports are open. Next, go to the DHCP settings. You can find two IP addresses of the primary and the secondary DNS server in here. It could be the default settings from your internet service provider. We need to change it to the ones which provide more protection. I'm going to show you three options. For those who live in the US, go to this website, open DNS, Home Internet Security. The first option is the Family Shield. Use it if you want to protect your kids. Click on Setup Guide. You can copy these two IP addresses and put it in your router. After that, you can test if it's working by clicking on this link. If you see this message, then your internet is now safer. The second option is to use Cloudflare. Go to this link and roll down to this section. You will find two flavors. Copy these two IP addresses and put it in the router. And the third option is for those who live in Canada. You can use the CIRA Canadian Shield. Here, you can use one of the options that works for you. I am copying one and putting them into the router. Then I click Save. Then restart my router. Let's see how it works. As you can see on the screen, the browser guard is protecting my computer at the browser layer. The CIRA Canadian Shield is protecting my computer at the DNS layer by blocking this new phishing that could steal my personal and financial information. Basically, that's all about these two little changes on the router that could make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please support us by clicking the subscribe button and see our next video. Thanks for watching.